Hi guys, this is Engineer Jack. So for this video, we will solve naman about sa problem in geotechnical engineering. So for this problem, refer to the figure for constant head permeability in sand. The following are given. The length of the specimen is 300 millimeters. We have also an area of the specimen, which is 175 square millimeters, and the constant head, which is 500 millimeters. We have also the water collected in 3 minutes, that is 620 cubic centimeters. And we have also a given for the void ratio of the sand, that is 0.58. So for this problem, we will determine the hydraulic conductivity K in centimeters per second, and we will also determine the seepage velocity. So according to Bradas, guys, the value of K, or the formula for K for constant head permeability, that is Q L all over T A H, where Q is the volume collected in a certain time, and L is the length of the specimen. Tatandaan nyo dito, class, na yung L is always parallel to the flow of the liquid. We have also A, the area of the specimen, and H is the constant head. So yung hahanapin natin dito na hydraulic conductivity should be in centimeters per second. So i-convert muna natin, class, lahat ng units to centimeters. So for the length of the specimen, that is also equals to 30 centimeters. The head is 50 centimeters. And the time, which is 3 minutes, i-convert na natin to seconds, that is also equals to 180 seconds. Just establish the value. Q, that is 620. This 620 cubic centimeters multiplied by the length, that is 30 centimeters, all over. The time is 180 seconds. Area is 175 square cm. And the constant head is 50 centimeters. So, i-cancel out natin, guys, yung centimeters. Cancel out din yung square centimeters. Yung maiiwan sa numerator is centimeters. And yung maiiwan sa denominator is in second. So, we have a value of K now, that is, in fraction, we have a value of 31 all over 2,625, or in decimals, that is 0.0118 centimeters per second. So, this is your answer for number 1. Next, we will calculate the seepage velocity. Pero first, tatandaan natin, guys, na this is not equal to letter V. Kasi yung V natin, that is the discharge velocity. So, yung V natin is, that is the hydraulic conductivity multiplied by hydraulic gradient I. And our seepage velocity, that is the discharge velocity Ki all over the porosity. So, just substitute the values for K, I, and N, where yung I pala, class, that is the head all over the length of the specimen. So, we have now, I think kailangan mo natin i-calculate. First, determine the value of the hydraulic gradient, that is H is 50 cm, all over your length, that is 30 centimeters. So, we have 5/3. So, to get the porosity, we have N equals to E over 1 plus E equals to 0.58, the value of the void ratio, all over 1.58. So, we have now the porosity value. We have in fraction, that is 29 over 79. And I prefer, class, na naka-fraction para mas accurate tayo. So, finally, the value of V, that is Ki all over N. So, just establish the values. So, gagamitin ko na lang, class, is for accuracy, lahat naka-fraction. So, yung K natin is 31 over 2,625. That is centimeters per second, the value of K. Multiplied by yung hydraulic gradient, that is 5 over 3. All over, yung N natin is naka-fraction din, which is 29 over 79. So, this is the value of the seepage velocity. And if we calculate that on your calculators, we get 0.05 centimeters per second. So, this is your answers for this problem. So, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. This is Engineer Jack, and have a good day.